Bye, sisters!
Bye, sisters. I can't do it. Hey guys, it's Megan Cathy Ilocana Ilongga Bisaya Gal. Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, as you can see, sobrang haggard na talaga ako. But it will be all worth it kasi today I am going to pick up my daughter from dance and we're gonna spend dinner together. Alrighty guys, so I just picked up my daughter again. Yay! There's Tiara. And we are in front of her dance school. But as usual, we're gonna go to Saigon and
I think.
And if we have extra time, Bowlology. Alright, so let's go. Hey, so we're back at Saigon 8. This is our place to go always. Go-to place. Yeah, that's the one. And she got the grilled chicken. And I got the number 26, which is a soup. So let's eat. It's so soft.
Oh, so first it's I don't know what this is called.
Oyster sauce.
This is oyster sauce, and then this is sriracha. I'm gonna assume
Chili sauce.
chili sauce, and then you're just going to add like that much, and then you're gonna add like this much, maybe like one more spoon, half, and then you put this away, and then you just grab any spoon. And then you just mix it all up. And then if you want more, you can just do the same thing again.
Thank you.
And y'all done?
You want some noodles too, right?
Sure.
There.
That's a lot.
That's so much for mama. speak.
So on your thing, you say it like Megan Kathy?
Megan Kathy?
Mm-hmm.
What's Megan Kathy?
Like when you say, hey guys, it's Megan Kathy or
Oh,
what?
it's me again.
Again.
Like me again, it's me again.
Oh, I thought you said it's Megan.
It's me again, Kathy. Like, hey, it's me again. You were gonna ask me why I'm calling myself that. I started putting like random question blog where I ask people random questions and then they will respond. So my very first question was, if nothing lasts forever, then what's the word forever for?
Nothing lasts forever. I mean,
Like there's no forever, like nothing lasts forever. Then what is the word forever for?
maybe it's because like let's say like God lasts forever, so that means nothing lasts forever. I don't know. Like the word nothing lasts forever. That's what
The other people were saying too. Like they said, if nothing lasts forever, will you be my nothing? Because nothing is the one that lasts. If nothing lasts forever, then will you be my nothing? So you will last forever. And some people also say, maybe forever means as long as we live. Like that's the forever until the day we die. Something like that. Or my second question was, what is that one thing that other people once doubted you that you can't do, but you made it happen?
being a point number.
And now you're doing it. And you proved them wrong that you can't do it. Alright, so we're done eating at Pho Saigon. Yeah, it's hard to breathe. And the sun is still out. It's already 7 o'clock, right, Anak?
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's still bright outside, so that's really good.
Yeah.
Plus, it's not hard for me to drive home if it's still bright like this. Because my eyes are already bad. So, let's go to
Philology.
Are you okay? You okay? You hit your head?
Yes.
Alrighty, we're at Philology.
I'm gonna have to relook at the schedule again, or like the menu, because I don't know if that's the one again.
Smells like clean chlorine here. You already know what to get?
Not yet.
You had the number one before? So my baby got that one. What's in it, anak?
So we got watermelon, kiwi, and banana with granola and pitaya, I think, and blue magic.
It's called Blue
yeah.
Magic.
Well, at the other place it's called blue magic, but I don't know what they call it here.
Kind of looks like a sorbet or something, like a ice cream, because it's like they scooped it.
Yeah.
Yeah. I didn't order anything because I'm still full, and I don't want to waste food. Got it?
It might be the Adventure Dome, which is technically Circus Circus, I think.
Yes, yes.
It has like different names.
All I know it's the Adventure Dome.
Mhm.
Are you not scared of the rides anymore?
Mhm.
Good.
I am on the inside, but on the outside, I'm not gonna show it.
But you'll scream.
Yeah.
That's how they do it. Is you just scream, and then you won't feel that scared. So you tell the audience, anak, say, mga unta,
Mga uta.
kain po,
Kain po.
mangantayon.
Mantayon.
All those three things that you said, they all mean one thing, but you just spoke 3 dialects, 3 language.
Wow.
That means let's eat. You still understand a little bit of Tagalog or Bisayan?
No. Wait.
Do you still know what duko means?
No.
Hangad, duko,
No.
bukaka.
Yes, that means butt. I think.
No.
Oh,
that's
turn
duko.
around.
Talikod.
Oh, talikod means turn around, right?
Mhm.
And then what does? I remember you kept like we were at the swimming place, and then you said like that word when I was
Duko?
showering. Yeah.
Or no, bukaka.
Yeah. Does it mean like
Like,
butt?
like bukaka. So we can wash.
Oh.
How about whenever I fix your hair and I say duko, hangad.
Maybe my head angles, like up, down, right, left.
Mhm.
I don't know.
So duko,
Uh-huh.
look down, duko. Hangad. How about hulog?
Cool. I know exactly what that means.
What it is? What it is? What is it?
Wait, what was the word?
You're gonna hulog.
Decalo?
No, what does that mean?
Hulog?
If I tell you, you're gonna hulog,
Hulu.
and then you say, I'm not gonna hulog, mommy.
Stay up. Sleep.
No,
Tired?
fall.
Fall.
You're gonna fall. You're gonna hulog. I kept telling you that before when you were wearing my high heels, and I'm like, Tiara, you're gonna hulog.
I just had to be in like the situation where you're saying the words and then I'll understand.
Are you more of a cold room person or?
I don't know why, but when the room's hot, it makes me feel good when I'm sleeping. Makes it like
Yeah, that's how Mama is too. I think you got that from me.
if it's cold, it's kind of like uncomfortable because you like
Mhm.
have to clench up your body to be warm and like.
Yes,
I don't
and you don't want to get up
Yeah.
because you already made the blanket warm, the bed warm, and then you gotta get up, and then you come back, it's cold again. Yep. How about Sadie and Roxy? Dogs can keep the bed warm too because their bodies are warm.
Except Sadie, she just thinks that she can spread her whole body out. Like takes the whole bottom of the bed and just like lays like on her back with her legs out and her arms out. And then I mean like Roxy's fine wherever she goes. Like she can go like right here and I won't even bother with her. But
She's tiny.
if Sadie does the exact same thing, it's like she takes up too much room. It's like I just squished by the wall. All Sadie does now is just like sleep. Maybe she has something wrong with her. I don't know.
But is she like still awake, like jolly?
Yeah.
Or because you know if she's like weak, like you know she just sleeps, that's something wrong. But if she's still kind of
Well, I think the reason why she sleeps is because like
she plays a lot.
yeah. And also Grandma only plays ball with her around like this time because at like the end of the day so that she's tired when she sleeps. Because if she does it in like the morning, then the rest of the day she's like tired. So in like the daytime she gets like all hypered up waiting for her time to play and then
They have their own routine.
Except dogs, like they only need like 30 minutes of sleep for like the whole day and then they're like ready.
The thing with dogs too is even small sound you make, like they can hear it. So they're sleeping, but they're constantly awake. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Because they have to be on guard all the time, and that's just their nature. But if they're already used to the noise, then no matter what you do, they know that it's you, so they don't care.
Yeah. I can literally be like, Sadie. And then she'll pop her head up. What was that ding for?
It means that it's the speed limit here is 35, and I'm like almost to the speed limit, like a little over. That's why it will give me a warning, like, hey, slow down. Oh, doggy.
That doggy could jump out at any second now. I
Yes.
mean, like, look at it. Like, it's getting ready to jump out.
Do they love sticking their head out like Sadie and Roxy, or they don't really like that?
Sadie
when
loves it, but Roxy, like,
gets
hates
panicky?
it.
Yeah. I think that's what
Roxy
happened. Like,
just shakes all the time when she's in the car.
Marley's like that too.
I think it's maybe like a
Because they're
small
small,
dog
yeah.
thing.
Because they don't feel safe. Like,
Yeah.
it's not their normal environment, and they're small, so. A lot of people that were putting comments on my vlogs, they always notice my voice. I don't know why.
What does that mean?
Like my voice, the way I talk.
Like
my voice.
good way?
They yeah. Like they always compliment my voice. Why? What's with my voice?
I don't know. Sounds like a normal person to me.
They said like it's calm. Like I talk like because my voice is a little low.
Well, I don't know how to explain your voice because I maybe it's because I know you and I don't know how to explain it.
Like I'm not all about like that type of person. Yeah, I can't do that. I'm too calm. But do you like my voice?
Yes, I love it.
Aww. Alright, my love. So my daughter is here at her house now. I'm dropping her off, and I won't be able to see her again for
Maybe like not this week because I'm gonna be out of town. Maybe next week.
well, next week I think you're gonna go to California.
Oh, I mean like next week, as in this
In
week.
2 weeks or something like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll see. But we'll definitely make another vlog when she's with me. Because in a way, this is my keepsake.
What
Right?
does that mean?
Like keeping it whenever. It's kind of like my album.
Ooh.
Like on this date, you were with me,
Oh.
type of thing.
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna drop her off and take her there by the door.
Okay. Bye, sisters.
Bye, sisters. I can't do it. All right, baby.